Assalamu alaikum dear students. In today's video, we will discuss another disease, that's typhoid. Typhoid is an infectious bacterial disease. It mainly spreads through contaminated food or water. It can also spread due to the poor hygienic conditions. The major symptoms of this disease are high fever, loss of appetite, and diarrhea. Salmonella typhi is bacterium responsible for this disease, and humans are only the carriers. The first case of typhoid fever was reported in the United States in early 90s. Overall, about 21 million people are infected with this disease annually, and about 2 lakh cases are fatal. Furthermore, scientists have identified two types of typhoid causing bacterium, namely ST1 and ST2. Well, students, let us see what are the causes of typhoid. Causative agent of typhoid, as we know, is Salmonella typhi. It's gram-negative bacteria characterized by a thin cell wall and an outer membrane. The cells are reddish in color, with some having black stains in the center. This bacteria is rod-shaped and grows in the small intestine of human body. Students, humans are only the main hosts of this bacteria. This type of species can survive in environments which are rich in oxygen, and they are also found in sewage, water bodies, and some eventually make their own food. The bacteria enters the human body through contaminated food and water, while it then enters the intestinal cells of human body. Later, it passes through the bloodstream and destroys the lymphatic system and spreads throughout the body. This bacterium is mainly carried by the white blood cells present in the liver and also the bone marrow. There they multiply and re-enter the blood cells, which in turn causes a number of symptoms to appear in later stages. Now students, let's see what are the symptoms of typhoid. Patients affected with typhoid usually show symptoms like weakness, abdominal pain, constipation, inflammation of the brain, loss of appetite, ulcer, severe headache, high fever, diarrhea, skin rashes. Students, now let us see what is the treatment for typhoid. Sanitation is one of the most important things that we can do to prevent the infection of such diseases. The other way would be the antibiotics that can kill the disease causing germs. Well, also by maintaining good and hygienic food habits, one can get rid of diseases easily. That's all for now. Thank you, students.